Okay guys, this year's Evo Enduro 2019, we have these teams participating, and together with them, you will stand a chance to win a Proton X70, 38,000 ringgit cash. Yes, these are real money over here, and 2-person gets to win this, and another 10-person will be able to win 8,000 ringgit cash. All you need to do is just to buy their products from a minimum spending of 5 ringgit. To know how to enter, all you need to do is just to WhatsApp your receipt of your product and answer a simple question to this number. To understand further, go to this website to know about all these products and how to enter. Menang, menang, menang!
Menang!
Alright.
Again, Con?
Make me dollar.
Hello guys, so previously we showed you the 3008, and now we go over to check out the 5008 SUV Plus. So in terms of differentiation, we still have the same active spec, we still have the Allure spec, roughly the same equipment differentiation between the with the 3008 lah. So also roughly the same kind of addition in terms of new equipment. You get blind spot warning, you get lane keep assist and all that, except that this power tailgate was already present in the 5008 to start with, so it's nothing new, it has already been there. So the main difference between the 3008 and 5008, now from the B pillar forwards, these two cars are practically the same lah. So let me just give you a glance of the interior. Same stuff, and of course, compared to the 3008 that I showed you earlier, this one here has a working GPS in the car that you can show you the map in this navigation mode. Let me just scroll through. So yeah, once again you go through the personal, minimum, all that lah. So navigation is to show you. There you go. Okay, that's the tachometer, speedometer map. Okay, and so in this video we will focus a bit on the rear section of the car, and of course the 5008 here naturally needs to have folding middle row seats. Nice one-touch folding. You can get inside there pretty easily, but this solid little structure bulkhead here that holds this seat here, you can immediately see that it limits the leg room available. Now here, middle row, let me just get inside. So here there's a little latch here, you pull the seat forward, and the furthest forward setting then severely limits your leg room here in the middle row. So I just pull this back, okay, to give a reasonable amount of leg room here lah. But still, this middle row here, right, being an adjustable, foldable seat, there is a natural limitation in terms of its thigh support. So the seat naturally lacks a bit of depth, and yeah, so you don't get as much thigh support as you would want on a long distance journey. But let me just fold the seats in front. So yeah, we can raise one pull here, the seat raises this way, pull up, and you step in. Yeah. Okay, just pull the seat. So just about usable amounts of leg room here. Thigh support, don't have to say lah, is practically non-existent, but headroom is okay for my 170cm frame. Let me just raise the individual headrest. Okay, so see, I've got pretty good accommodation here. It's just that because this is rather tall, so it does feel a little claustrophobic, but no shortage of storage space here. You got this mini cup holder here, and you got this little pocket here that you can just drop your handphone inside. There is also that extra cubby hole at the back which you can use. So to get out, just pop that and off you go. So with the seats up, okay, with the third row up, there's only so much luggage space here. This is an opening here, and to topple this, you have to lift this out. That accesses here, and you pull this red strap, pop, and stow the seat away. So this forms the floorboard of your luggage area. Okay, and from here, the middle row sit down, and you can see that it's not a perfect loading floor, but there's a step. Okay, there's a step, and yeah, so there's a bit of a compromise when you have a long item to carry, but still can't argue with the capacity, I guess. So let's open the other side. So here you have it. This is the full luggage capacity of the 5008, and yep, so that middle area there, that's a bit of a disturbance. I think most 7-seaters nowadays, most competent 7-seaters nowadays is able to get that area flat. So there's some area, there's something for Peugeot to look into for improvement. Now I see this slot here for the tonneau cover, but the tonneau cover itself is nowhere in sight. So it's probably kept elsewhere by the staff here of Peugeot, but still here there's this little tray here, I think, to put things, and this another cubby hole here to drop stuff. So let's see. So you've also got hands-free closing, which is not available in this car simply because I don't have the car keys. This is the close button. Yep. Okay. So guys, there you have it. The newly updated Peugeot 5008 Plus. And to recap from my previous video, Plus here, these Plus cars, they are locally assembled with more kit. So yeah, more stuff here, and price wise, 166,000 for the active model here, and 179,000 for the Allure model here. And again, we have Jay Wong here from the Star. So guys, this year Evo Enduro is giving away a Proton X70. So just spend 5 ringgit of stuff from any of our 12 racing teams, and you stand a chance to win an X70, 38,000 ringgit in cash, 8,000 ringgit in cash, and other interesting prizes. So check out this URL here for further information.